Hi, my name is Alex Kurlich with GusandShow.com. A lot of people call me and they say, hey, I got no credit, or I have very little credit, my score is 600, what do I do? If you got some time and you want to plan, open up some secured credit cards and pay them on time for at least 6 months. If you get 2 or 3 for a year and you pay those on time, you're going to have a 680, 700 credit score. We're going to have all sorts of options for you. So the benefits of opening a secured credit card has many, many benefits. Now, you can't go out and open 3 secured credit cards and the next month buy a house with it, because that's not enough length of trade lines. FHA and conventional want to see certain trade lines open for a certain amount of time. At least 1 credit card per year, maybe 3 for 6 months. That might work, but you want to have them open for a while. If you got long-term planning, that's how you utilize a secured credit card. We also have credit cards you can open up that'll boost your score quickly. So if you have a bunch of credit open but you need to boost your score, we have some cards that can do that too. So if you got problems on how to get a secured credit card or boost your credit score with opening another credit card, give me a call. I've got the answer. 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.